Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the AKIYO Z9. It's a DLP mini projector with battery included for outdoor use. It's not waterproof, but you can make it mobile because of the battery which is installed. It supports Full HD 1080p plus minus 40-degree Keystone, USB-C 90-inch playback time for mobile phones, soundbars, home cinema, bedroom, and it comes with a tripod. That's cool because it's so small, pocket size. The AKIYO Z9 DLP projector is very small. The size is only 10.5 to 10.5 to 2.5 centimeters and the weight is only 0.28 kilograms. We can even put it in the pocket of our jeans. The product has a surface treatment with piano lacquer, which makes it even more elegant. An ideal choice for the bedroom, for the office, for business trip, for camping. It's an ideal choice for travel, vacation, outdoor, what you like. With a powerful DLP chip with a native resolution of 855 to 480p, 100 ANSI lumens, and 3-stage brightness settings, we can get clear and bright image even in dark environments. Equipped with a vertical trapezoidal correction of plus minus 40 degrees, we can get rectangular images. And it's really easy to use. Simply UI design. The HDMI plug and play. 1.5 hours of playback time. With USB-C charging port, we can use a power bank or a laptop to charge the projector without worrying about searching the power outdoors. It can also be used as a power bank to charge our phones. With the help of a tripod, the projector can be used outdoors. And uses DLP chips from Text as instruments that produce less heat. The high-performance fans ensures fast heat dissipations and the noise level is much lower than in LED projector. The built-in 1.5 watt hi-fi double speakers offers us an excellent audio-vision experience. For this tiny thing is really good. And it's equipped with an HDMI audio output and a USB port. The USB port does not support reading, it's only used for charging, okay? We can connect a smartphone, Fire Stick, soundbars, PlayStation 3, 4, 5, etc. Here in my case, it's an Xbox X. You can see it makes a wonderful picture, wonderful movies, and a good sound, I think. We can not use films on Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu because it's not a smart device, but we can make it smart by using a smart console, for example. That's possible, no prop for it. We will get a mini projector, an HDMI cable is included, a Type-C cable adapter is included with an power supply, and a tripod. If you're going to use this with your iPhone, for example, you will need a cable which goes from HDMI to your Lightning. Or if you're going to use an Android or an iPad Pro, then it should be a cable which goes from HDMI to USB-C. Then you can perform this. Or you will use your personal computer or your laptop, and there you can dock it to the HDMI port. Maybe on your graphic cards. We do not look straight into the projector lens. We protect eyes from damage. Children should be accompanied by an adult when using this projector. We do not block the vents to prevent the projector from overheating. We do not expose the projector to rain or moisture environment to reduce the risk of an electric shock. The objects filled with liquids such as vases should not be placed on these devices, and it may lead to potential accidents that damage the device. We do not make repairs to this projector by ourselves. The company will not cover the warranty if we open this. We should take note that the included power cable we can use to power the projector on. We keep the projector away from hot environments, and we contact the seller for technical support when the product has any problems. But you can see it's really cool. It's so easy. I docked only my Xbox Series X with it, and then it makes so nice pictures and videos and content on my screen in my office. And this is not a flat white wall. No. It is a scribble wall, okay? But you can see the pictures really clear on it. That's awesome. I think it's really awesome because it's so a tiny DLP projector. We plug the power cord into the outlet. We press the power button on to enter the standby stage. Long press, that will make it turn on. We use an HDMI cable to connect the projector to our device, which the device will deliver the movie material or the game or what you like. But this has to come out of an HDMI cable. We press the button in the center to adjust the brightness mode. We press plus and minus to adjust the volume, for example. We adjust the keystone and the focus buttons to get the clear rectangular image. You can see it's really easy. We connect this device to the projector. We can use it by micro USB Lightning or Type-C or of course HDMI. You will need a specific cable for that, okay? The only cable which is included is the power supply and the HDMI cable as well. And the projector distance. You should look. You can project up to 168 inches. I think with that tiny little projector, this is a long range. The project distance is really cool. Or you can bring it down to 42 inches. That's cool. Okay, that's really cool. That means you can come from 30 degrees up to 120 inches. 30, 60, 80, 100, 120 inches. All the projection distance and screen sizes are possible with that device. The image technology is a DLP. The light source is a light emitter diode. The native resolution is 8542480p. The supported resolution are 1080p, 1080i, 720p, 576i, and 480p and 480i. The battery capacity is 2500 mAh. The aspect ratio is 16:9. The throw ratio is 0.98:1. The project distance is 1 up to 2 meters. The screen size is from 30 up to 120 inches. I think it's really awesome with that tiny little DLP projector. The Keystone is plus minus 40 degrees. The focus electronic. The input is an HDMI in aux and USB. The built-in speaker is 1.5 watt. The projector input voltage is a DC 5 volt 3 ampere. The power adapter voltage is AC 100 volt up to 240 volt, 50 or 60 hard. You can see you can use this nearly on the entire world electronic supply. The weight is only 0.64 pound. The dimensions are 5.4 inches to 5.4 inches to 3.7 inches. You can use image formats, bitmap, JPEG, PNG, audio formats, MP2, MP3, PCM, FLAC, WMA, AAC, video formats, AVI, MP4, MKV, movie, 3GP, MPEG-1, MPEG-2, H.264, and XVID. You can see that's really much. And of course, if you dock your device on it, it will play everything but the device can play. You can install it on the front because there is a little clap onto it, and this you can stand on the 4 on the four horsed nipples on the bottom side, and you can use the front a little bit to lift it up, or you use a tripod. The mounting screw size is M4, and this is a standard, so you can use your own tripod for it. For example, you do not have to use that tripod which is included. I think it's a really good and awesome DLP projector because it's so small, so tiny, but so powerful. This is the really awesome AKIYO Z9 DLP mini projector. This is a mobile projector, really, and a pocket-sized projector. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.